Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get real-time NSE data again in TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, sign in to your TradingView account and open the main dashboard or chart view. Look at the top right corner and click your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Inside Settings, go to the Subscriptions tab. This section shows your current plan and available add-ons. Click on Real-Time Market Data to view the list of supported exchanges. Scroll down until you find the India section, where NSE and BSE are listed. Locate the NSE option and click Subscribe. This enables real-time data for national stock exchange symbols. Complete the payment process using the secure checkout. Once confirmed, the real-time data access will be added to your account. Return to your chart and refresh the page. After reloading, NSE prices should update instantly without delay. So that's basically how you can get real-time NSE data again in TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.